Everyone, here in significant of our, traditions, our culture of our Karpi brothers, for the swing seats participations. I'm here, Oh, these are the men folks and the women folks. So let's catch up the details report. So please stay with me.
Ekakar poki bandim rachi tere santare lekin so mali bang thare pensari nong se mak nong si ke nong ta phare la phari ke le mai pang che nong si Sili so tardi eni gameti ke puhan meri ta Bangkin so mari bangkin so mari ke thare ben sapi ke ser tu ke jandri ta Joglo situ lanten si alang di lunji ne ko di ko ini ti lunji ne ane kinong ne
The rice, they put it, in such a process. And then the beautiful girls has to carry that rice, in the back. And then, see, this is the rice, Wow, it's a beautiful, okay. Oh, oh, oh. Wow, it's beautiful, okay. We have different cultures, So this is how the Karbi peoples, our Karbi community sowing the seeds. Yeah, there's another one Lotha Naga is also here. You see, mingling with our Karbi community's brothers. You see, in the cultural events. Wow. See? Yeah. Okay, so thank you so much.